Chayote has been mainly used in cuisine, but thanks to its amazing health characteristics, it provides numerous health benefits, including cell regeneration. It contains a high amount of proteins, antioxidants, and vitamin C. Chayote is shaped like a pear fruit but has a green color. Some studies have found that chayote is a green vegetable that has many nutrients needed by the body. Even a study conducted by the University of North Florida, USA, found that the chayote contained many vitamins. The whole plant, including the fruit, stem, and leaves, contains multiple nutrients and has anti-inflammatory properties that can aid in the treatment of high blood pressure, kidney stones, and indigestion. Chayote can also help support weight loss efforts, as it is low in calories and fibrous. Chayote is an abundant source of folate and vitamin C. Folate is a water-soluble vitamin that is essential for female fertility and cancer prevention. Taken before and during pregnancy, it reduces the risk of neural tube birth defects. A whole chayote contributes 189 micrograms of folate to your diet, which amounts to about 50% of your recommended daily allowance. Vitamin C is an important antioxidant that helps fight free radicals, which may increase the risk of heart disease and some forms of cancer. Chayote contains 15.6 micrograms of vitamin C, which amounts to 26% of your RDA. A high-fiber diet helps treat constipation and normalize bowel movements. Eating chayote is a good way to increase your fiber consumption. One chayote contains 3.5 grams of fiber, which contributes 14% of your daily value of 25 grams. Fiber also helps control blood sugar levels, particularly helpful for diabetics, and lowers cholesterol, which promotes a healthier cardiovascular system. Trace minerals are required in small amounts on a daily basis to help maintain a healthy metabolism in the system and strong bones. Chayote contains trace minerals zinc, magnesium, calcium, phosphorus, and potassium. Trace minerals make a part of the body's hormones and enzymes. Chayote provides 1 milligram of zinc, 7% of your daily value. Zinc plays a role in wound healing and supports a proper sense of taste and smell. Calcium and magnesium keep bones strong, and potassium supports nerve and muscle function. A whole of chayote only has 38.6 calories and 0.1 grams of fat. The high water content and fiber help keep you fuller for longer without taking in a lot of calories. You can eat as a snack to keep hunger at bay and stay within your daily calorie intake. Due to the fruit's soft texture, you can use chayote to bulk up a salad or add it to a smoothie.